Looking for a laptop that balances power and portability without breaking the bank? The Acer Aspire 5A 51545R74Z offers just that, packing an AMD Ryzen 5 5500U hexa-core processor that can boost up to 4.0 GHz. This means smooth multitasking, quick app launches, and reliable performance whether you're working, streaming, or gaming casually. What really sets this model apart is its 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. The crisp 1920 by 1080 resolution combined with LED backlit technology delivers vivid colors and wide viewing angles. So, whether you're watching movies or tackling detailed spreadsheets, you get a clear, comfortable visual experience every time. Inside, you'll find 8 GB of DDR4 memory and a speedy 256 GB NVMe SSD. This combo ensures fast boot times and responsive performance, even with multiple programs running. Plus, there's an extra hard drive bay if you want to expand storage down the line. It's a flexible setup that adapts to your growing needs. Connectivity won't slow you down either. With Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and multiple USB ports, including a USB-C Gen 1 for faster data transfer, you're covered for all your devices. The inclusion of HDMI 2.0 means hooking up to an external monitor or TV is hassle-free, ideal for presentations or entertainment. One of the most appreciated features by users is the long battery life, lasting up to 11 hours on a single charge. That kind of endurance means you can work or study all day without hunting for an outlet. The lightweight design at just 3.88 pounds adds to its portability, making it a solid companion for on-the-go use. A real user shared their experience after 2 months of constant use. No lag, no glitches, and zero regrets. They highlighted how the laptop looks sharp, runs fast, and feels light, with plenty of room to upgrade memory if needed. Their confidence in the product only grew after nearly a year, confirming its durability and consistent performance. If you're worried about Windows 11 Home's S mode, it's easy to switch out of it, so don't let that hold you back. Plus, Acer's customer support is accessible and ready to assist, giving you peace of mind with your investment. Registering your device is a smart move to keep support within reach. If that's you, someone who wants a reliable, versatile laptop that handles daily tasks effortlessly, the Acer Aspire 5A 51545R74Z is worth a look. It's a practical choice with proven performance and solid features. Try it when you're ready and see how it fits your lifestyle.